Hello. Today we want to extract data from websites. So I have a URL from where COVID-19 detail is available worldwide. So here the information is given in the form of table. So I want to extract this table and access it. So let's start. Take a new sequence, name it as COVID 19 volt. Okay, and drag activity flowchart here. So you can search for flowchart. Right. So you can drag and drop it. Double click for it. The flowchart activity will start. Now, now I need to access this URL in order to extract data from the site. So here I will use browser activity browser activity and double click for it, and we will insert this URL. So select this URL, okay, and inside double quote insert the again the URL is inserted. You can see this is the URL of this URL here, and other information, so we will understand in later videos. So here I want to start the web scraping. Okay, so we will take the data scraping. It's asking to open your browser. So I have already opened the browser in my background. So it's open. Click over next and select the first cell of the table from where you want to extract the data. So we have just selected and clicked over it. It's again asking you selected a table cell. Would you like to extract the data from the whole table? So click yes. Okay. So just you can see the data is available in this form. Okay. So you can edit number of rows. So here for now I am taking 0 as it will extract all the rows and click finish. So this data is scraping multiple pages. That means if this information is available in multi pages, then you need to click yes, otherwise click no. So for this case, here this table is in single page, so I am clicking no. Okay, now let's connect to this activity to browser. Okay. Again, the web scraping information region, it has attached browser activity and the selector got this information. Okay, and in do activity extracted data table. So you can see for this extracted data table a new variable is automatically created and the data type is system.data.data type. okay. And let's change the scope or flow chart, and it will be helpful to use in other activities as well. Okay. So it's done for now. Now I want to write this information in an Excel sheet. So let's search for Excel. Excel application is full. Okay, and connect it. Okay. Now double click over it and uncheck create if not exist. So I will create an Excel sheet myself. So I have clicked. Okay. Now inside this, it's asking to the path of Excel sheet. So here I will create path. So I want to create new Excel sheet. So it's 1981, right? So 1981. Okay, again, and let's give header. That is first heading is location. So location over here. Right. Next heading is total cases. Total cases. And next heading is this one. Okay. And next heading is this. So it is in graphical form. We don't need to extract or not. This and another heading is this. Okay. So let's okay. So this is the Excel sheet that is ready. So I will give path. So I will go to my location and select this. And inside Excel application scope, we will use right range activity. Right range activity. Okay. So it's sheet 1. Okay. So let's check sheet 1, but the data will be written here from here. So the reference is A2. So change it A2, and we have a variable in which all information is set. Extracted data. Extracted data. Again, we can give a message that Excel sheet written. So we give this message box. Okay. Data written in Excel sheet. Right. So it's almost done. Let's recap once again. So I have a browser from where I want to extract the information. So I have used browser open browser activity. Here I have given URL and left it for now as it is not in use for now. In this case, again I have started data scraping. Inside data scraping a type browser and do updating. So you can see the selector information is available and it's validated. Okay. Again, when data is extracted in a variable that is extracted data table, so I want to write all this information in an Excel sheet. So this Excel sheet is here. I have given a path, change reference cells to A2 from the data ID will be start and this. So now we save it and let's here this Excel sheet is having no data. Let's close it and run the application. Okay. Data written in Excel sheet. Press OK. Now let's see this Excel sheet. So here we have extracted our data in our Excel sheet. Yes. All this information. So it's okay for now.